The graduating students of Anglican Girls Secondary School, Ogidi, formerly known as Girls Secondary School, Ogidi, were presented with awards ranging from cash to certificates.
It is time to sow. This is the sowing period.
Addressing the awardees, the president of the Old Girls, Mrs. Kiru, encouraged them to keep aspiring for the best. Each of the awardees went home with certificate and 50,000 naira. Presenting the award, Professor Mrs. Amaka Okeke, Professor Mrs. Uche Ogidi, Professor Mrs. Obuwa. The president of Ogidi, Mrs. Ebele, also did the presentation. And the president of the Old Girls, Mrs.
I, on behalf of Ogidi United Forum, do present this wonderful certificate to you as the best graduating student in mathematics, together with 50,000 cash.
On behalf of the Ogidi United Forum, present this beautiful certificate and the amount of 50,000 to you for your outstanding performance in biology in this citadel of learning.
For Ogidi United Forum, present to you this certificate as keep flying. The sky is your starting point. Congratulations. The passing of this is great. This lady is wonderful. This girl is just great. It's no other person than Miss Rose.
egwu anyị ka obi si dị gị ya ma ife na-eweghị iji wee kpokọlụ praịz mmadụ na-abụ sọsọ isi ọrụ ka inyebi ofu onye half afọ anyị bụ Rose ọkụ ya okay etu obi si dị gị ụtọ Okay. Mani makola ebere we rapu gwe no. Ari bokolo bancha. Bokolo bancha cha evuna cha na gate ifu jone ya na. Okay, congratulations.
And it is what it is, Ngala Igbo.